In order to hide photos and videos on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we're gonna open our gallery app. Now in here, I'm gonna choose an example photo that I want to hide. Now we're gonna use these three dots that we have in the upper right corner, and we can decide to move to the secure folder. Of course, you need to have the secure folder created in order to be able to use it. So in that case, we just have to go and continue, tap on next. We'll have to wait a couple of seconds to let the phone create the secure folder, and you will need to set up a password for the secure folder. In my case, I'm gonna use a simple pattern password. We need to enter it twice in order to create it. And there we go. You can also use a Samsung account to be able to recover the password in case you forget it at some point. But it is not really required. It is not necessary to do so. And then we're gonna go next. You can choose what should happen when you lock the secure folder. You can also find the information that you can hide the secure folder, and then we can find the secure folder in the app drawer, at least by default. So your files, your photos and videos should be now hidden inside that secure folder in here. If we open the secure folder, we can find the gallery in here as well, and every hidden photo and video is located in this place. Of course, we can go back to the gallery. You can select multiple photos and videos that we want to hide, and then we're gonna tap on more in the bottom right corner, and then in here we should be able to find move to secure folder. There we go, we are moving items to the secure folder, and that is pretty much it. There we go. Leave a like and subscribe.